Senate will come to order. All members, guests, and staff will please rise to recite the Pledge of Allegiance to the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Report of the committee.
The Committee on Rules to move for the petition accompanied by bill Senate number 15 of Michael O. Moore and David Henry Argosky-LeBeouf for legislation to establish a sick leave bank for Michael L. Rodricks, an employee of the trial court. Reports the same ought to pass. Joan B. Lovely for the committee.
The senator from Norfolk and Plymouth, Mr. O'Connor, asks unanimous consent that the rules be suspended so that the matter may be considered forthwith. Is there an objection? The chair is none. The rules are suspended. Question now comes on ordering the bill to a third reading. All those in favor say aye. Opposed, no. The ayes have it. Bill's ordered to a third reading. Third reading of a bill.
An act establishing a sick leave bank for Michael L. Rodricks, an employee of the trial court of the Commonwealth, Senate number 15. Its title having been changed by the Committee on Bills in third reading.
Bill's read a third time. Question comes on pass the bill being engrossed. All those in favor say aye. Opposed, no. The ayes have it. The bill is passed to be engrossed. Is there an adjournment order? Yeah. Senator from Norfolk and Plymouth, Mr. O'Connor, offers an order which the clerk will read.
Order that when the Senate adjourns today, adjourn the meeting again on Thursday next at 11 o'clock a.m. The clerk be directed to dispense with the printing of a calendar.
Question comes on adoption of the order. All those in favor say aye. Opposed, no. The ayes have it. And the order is adopted. The senator from Suffolk, Ms. Jang Diaz, and the senator from Suffolk and Middlesex, Mr. Brownsberger, move that when the Senate adjourns today, it do so in honor of the memory of Margo Simon Golden of Boston. Margo dedicated her life to public health and public service. Born and raised in Andover, Massachusetts, Margo was a graduate of Simmons College and obtained a Master's of Public Health from Boston University. Throughout her life, she worked hard and served a variety of health organizations, from St. Elizabeth Hospital to the Watertown Health Center to Beth Israel and Deaconess Hospitals, where she was a program director. Margo was also a member of the board of directors for the Women's Community Cancer Project and Alliance for a Healthy Tomorrow. Above all her work in the field of public health, Margo leaves behind a formidable legacy at the Massachusetts Breast Cancer Coalition, the MBCC. In her nearly 10 years as board president, from 2009 to 2018, Margo is a tenacious advocate for the MBCC's mission, not just to fight cancer, but to prevent its environmental causes. She helped craft an award-winning community education program focused on understanding and reducing exposure to environmental toxins. And she exemplified civic engagement, testifying at numerous hearings at the Boston City Council and the Massachusetts State House about environmental health risks and in support of environmental research. At every level of the Massachusetts Breast Cancer Coalition, from interns and volunteers to staff and board members, Margo had a profound impact, and her work was noticed and celebrated. In 2014, she was one of 100 people honored by Massachusetts General Hospital for leading the fight against cancer. From co-workers to friends, family, and loved ones, those who knew Margo spoke of her as exceptionally warm and kind, full of grace and strength. She was a committed and determined advocate for health and a visionary leader in her work and for her community. All of us in Massachusetts are better off for Margo's deep dedication to creating a better, healthier world. Margo is survived by her husband, Neil Golden, her children, Andrew Golden, and his wife, Kate Billman Golem, and Craig Golden, her grandson, Ellis, and her brothers, Donald Simon, and his wife, Susanna De La Torre, and Gary Simon. Margo is also survived by Michael and Susan Golden, David and Beth Golden, and her nieces and nephews, Elena and Eli Simon, Eric Golden, Sarah Pell, Leo Kolodny, and Alina and Julia Golden. All those in favor say aye. Opposed, none. No, none. The ayes have it, and the motion prevails. The Senate will stand in a moment of silence in the memory of Margo Simon Golden. Senator from Norfolk and Plymouth moves that the Senate do now adjourn. All those in favor say aye, opposed no. The ayes have it, and the Senate stands adjourned in memory of Margo Simon Golden. To meet again on Thursday next at 11 o'clock a.m.
Thank you, sir.